Whether you're just getting started on your first hiking adventure or you're just looking to freshen up your gear, I'm going to be showing you guys my top budget-friendly picks available at Walmart so you can get your next journey started off on the right foot. Let's get into it. All right, and we just arrived at Walmart. I chose Walmart for this budget haul because there are 4,742 Walmarts in the United States, which means just about anybody can get to one, and if not, you can always just go online. Most of the options that I've been looking at are available online as well as in store. All right, we are all finished inside of Walmart. The total for this trip came out to $86.12. Now that is with New Jersey state sales tax, so before tax it was $80.77. So price may vary across the board depending on where you're from, but not bad. 5 items picked up. I believe they're very essential items. Some maybe on the border of essential, but I think you'll enjoy them. And they're my top picks right now. So let's get back and I'll show you guys what I got. All right, so the first thing on my list that I believe is a complete necessity when you are out there hiking is a good first aid kit. This is the Hiking Buddy First Aid Kit. It is 63 pieces for $10. It comes with everything you can think of, from tweezers to a safety rope to antiseptic wipes, alcohol wipes, wound gel, I'm guessing similar to a Neosporin, electrolyte tabs, ibuprofen, sting relief wipes, hydrocortisones, you name it, they got it, bandages, tweezers, the whole 9 yards. This available, $10, not bad, very small, very easy to put into a book bag or some form of pack, and yeah, you're definitely gonna need it because you never know when something's gonna happen. The next item on my list that I believe is 100% necessary, especially right now in these hot times of the year, is something to hold your water. This is the Outdoor Products MELROSE pack. This comes with a 20-ounce water bottle that you can throw in, BPA free by the way, so for anybody curious about that. And it comes with 3 carrying compartments. You can hold all your gear in, hold your sunglasses in this front pocket. There's another small front pocket here. You can throw your keys, your wallet, whatever in. And then a big pocket in the back, big enough to hold your first aid kit. So for $16.48, definitely a good deal. I know a lot of people may opt for a camelback or a hydration vest. The price on those are a little higher, so staying budget friendly like I was today, this is definitely the way to go, saving you about $10 to $15 on the low end. The next item that I picked up was these OZARK Trail Trekking poles. I've always wanted to get a pair of these, and these ones were very affordable at the price of $22.99. They got their good wrist strap, a good cork handle, perfect for trail running, perfect for trail hiking. These give you a perfect amount of stability so that way you can hike those steep hills. And I mean, not breaking the bank, and also they are 10 ounces per handle, so less than a pound a piece. You're not putting on too much more weight and still got some good sturdy ways to hike. Another must-have on the list is some bug repellent / tick spray. This is the Sportsman sweat resistant. You definitely want something like this if you're out on the trails running, because you're going to get worked up, you're going to get sweaty, it's going to get hot, but also just this time of year, being the middle of summer, you're going to want something that can stand the heat. Because the second you sweat this off and ticks start biting, you're not going to have a good time. Mosquitoes are obviously crazy this time of year, depending on where you're at. Out here in New Jersey, it is pretty swampy, so we do deal with a lot of mosquitoes. So definite must-have. Only came in at $6.48 roughly, I believe it was. But you could also get a 2-pack for $10. If you go, you're going to go through a lot. It's a better deal. Now this item, it's a fun item. I think you'll enjoy it as well, is a hammock in a bag. This cost me $24.99. These things are a lot of fun. You never know when you're going to want to take a rest in a nice area. It's easy to set up, quick to put away, supports up to 300 pounds. It is fully recyclable and made out of recycled materials, I guess. But really great, really simple design. I've had a few of these in the past and I've always loved them. But you never know when you just want to take a nice rest and just relax after a long hike. 2 last items. They're kind of a bonus. They weren't in today's shopping trip, but a nice reacher grabber or a glove and some trash bags. It's not a necessity, but we do love going to these places that we get to hike and adventure, and it's always a shame to see trash just thrown on the ground in places. So yeah, it may not be your trash, but it's your place that you love, and you want to see it beautiful, and you want to see it respected. So let's do our best and do our part, try and pick it up. All right, you guys, well, that is all for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed my top 5 budget-friendly picks available on Walmart for your next hiking adventure. I'm going to hang out here in the hammock a little bit more now that I got it secured properly. And if you made it this far, please take a second, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys around further on. And also, in the bio below will be all of the items written out so that you can reference back to that later if you want to search them up on Google. But whatever you guys do. Anyways, I hope you guys have fun on your first adventure or next adventure, and I hope to see you guys in my next adventure. Have a good one, guys. Stay safe, stay wandering. Peace.